Lesley Joseph unsure how much longer I have, as she addresses Birds of a Feather return. It's been 35 years since Lesley Joseph first graced the nation's TV screens as Dorian Green, and the Birds of a Feather star has now issued an update over returning to the show. Lesley Joseph is able to have high hopes about her longevity, as her late mother had lived until just weeks before her 104th birthday. However, the veteran actress, who is soon to turn 80, has revealed she isn't keen on reprising her hugely iconic role as man-eater Dorian Green. In a statement which will break the hearts of Birds of a Feather fans around Britain, she confessed, "I don't think I'll return, no. At my age, I don't know how much longer I have in this business," she explained, adding, "I'm fit as a flea, but there are a few other things I'd like to do before I retire." She has fond memories of starring alongside her two sidekicks, Linda Robson, who played Tracy Stubbs, and Pauline Quirk, who played Sharon Theodopolopoulos, as the trio once pulled in audiences of up to 20 million per episode. However, the TV legend turned West End star has admitted that she has developed niggling insecurities over her age. "The older I get, the more frightened I become of forgetting my lines and making a fool of myself in front of an audience," she explained to the Mirror. "I think I'll know when the time is right for me to retire, but it's not today." She added that she has the energy of her late mother Rebecca, who survived more than a quarter of a century longer than she has done at her current age. She revealed that she is keeping her brain active by remaining in work, while the former Strictly star also has a penchant for exercise and dashes all over London. All of that bodes well for Lesley's career to continue, but she is keen to pursue new projects instead of looking back to her Birds of a Feather character.